Come with us to understand what is a design thinking workshop. Empathize phase, you'll learn the art of empathy. Dive deep into understanding your users' needs, pain points, and desires through interviews and observations. You'll put yourself in their shoes to uncover insights that drive innovation. Define phase, it's time to define the challenge. You'll synthesize the information gathered, identifying key themes and patterns. Learn how to craft a well-defined problem statement that will guide your creative process. Get ready for the brainstorming, an Ideate phase. You'll unleash your imagination and generate a plethora of ideas. Learn ideation techniques to foster wild creativity, allowing innovation to flourish. Prototype phase is all about bringing your ideas to life. Learn how to rapidly prototype your solutions, transforming concepts into tangible forms. You'll put your creations in the hands of users, gather feedback, and refine your designs through iterative testing. By the end of this workshop, you'll be equipped with a toolkit of skills that can transform challenges into opportunities. Are you ready to think differently, empathize deeply, and craft innovative solutions? Join us at World Blasting Innovators event in October 2024. Embark on a journey of discovery through the power of design thinking.